Hey guys, Doug with Pinetree Line, and we're out fishing today. And of course, I'm with my good buddy, my best buddy, Jamie, and he's driving the boat. He's behind you right now. We'll show him in a second. But anyways, we're hoping to catch on to some fish. Last time we went fishing, we did catch one. I believe I wasn't recording and we threw in some pictures. That's what happened last time. I'm hell-bent to be ready this time with camera in hand. I do have my fishing rod. I am trolling just like Jamie is. Once I see you, you know, not cooking or doing a review of a Blackstone, actually doing something that you enjoy. Yeah,
been out here last week. I've been out here almost every day. Fish are starting to bite now. Look at that. Almost ripped the rod out of my hand. Ooh. Of course, the fish is behind me now.
It's all good. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a big one.
That's a monster. Okay. Okay. He's wrecking the boat. All right.
Show us that bad boy.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
That's a big boy.
That's a big one for sure.
Nice.
Beauty. That's a beauty. Wow!
Yeah.
That was nice.
Awesome.
Yeah. Got me too. All right.
Jamie, what do you think of that catch?
It's good. A little bit of excitement there, right?
Absolutely, that was great.
Yeah.
Maybe catch another one or something else?
Yeah, try. And you know what? It's easier when there's only one line in the water too.
Well, we don't have to mention why that happened.
You can show the picture later.
This might have something to do with it. See that? My little nest?
Okay, so see my rod and line? This is it here. That's Doug's. It's all good.
All right, I got a little excited and
you know what?
operating two cameras.
Many times, Doug said it's all about the shot.
It's all about the shot. We're not about the fishing, we're about the fish.
There you go. That was quite funny.
That was awesome. Let's do it again.
Launch longer.
There he is there.
Can you see where he is?
Yeah, I can see him. There he goes. You just saw him out of the corner of your eye or what?
I look up, I'm like, there's a deer.
Then I scramble to get the camera and Jamie backs up and
Funniest thing ever. So we're talking, I don't even know what we're talking about. And then I just, oh, there's a deer. Got one.
all right, do it. Bring it in, fish on. Deep diving. There we go. Hello.
Sorry, Doug.
Okay.
I was trying not to run on shore.
You wanna?
Okay, I got it.
Oh. I was gonna grab him, but
Gotta be careful because I don't want to get hooked. There we go. Want to grab the gill, hold it tight so you don't get that in your hand.
nice. Another beauty.
Awesome.
Nice job.
Awesome.
Let's see what we got here. Not bad.
I got it in reverse right now.
Oh, okay, that's what I think. Oh,
Yeah! Catch and release, baby.
Yeah, that's the way to
I
do
didn't
it.
want that one, I threw it back.
All right, fish on. You plowing?
Yep.
I think.
It's almost like I snagged him because he was coming in sideways. Either that or
I didn't see him plowing.
Maybe did he fall asleep on me?
I don't know.
He's
like,
got some weight to it. It's almost like I did snag him.
that was weird.
Man, oh man.
Feel heavy or what? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like I snagged him. You know when you snag a fish, it comes in sideways?
Oh, there we go. Oh, pike.
There you go. Little snake.
There we go. Oh,
Watch
there
out,
we
Pike.
go. Yeah. Oh, good. He's gone.
He gone.
That was fun.
That's funny.
So one thing I say about catching pike and bass is they're both like a lot of fun to catch, right?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for coming along, and you know what? Please subscribe, like the video, and hopefully we can bring you some more content, some more fish in the future. Thanks to Jamie for being a huge part of the channel and coming along. And when he does, it's always better. So, anyways, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.